cut. I would love it. So we probably want to move back a bit.
Gotcha, thanks, Will.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Move back so it's just walk up, stop, stare at the ocean.
Look disappointed.
Look disappointed. Stay there!
Fly, stop.
Okay, so we'll get you to walk into that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and time it so that when you walk in there's a big wave crash, so... You're going to need to walk back up to the footprint.
You thought you were going to do it this time.
In the water, so you want the water to run over the top of it?
Yeah. And I'm worried the kid away from me.
Yeah, they're a little bit unpredictable here. Yeah, let's do it at another beach under controlled conditions.
Yeah.
The control.